Hey traders and investors, it's Miami Options with your stock market recap for Friday, July 23rd, 2021. And the markets keep on marching higher. And what we have to focus on is what the market is doing. It's giving us one direction and one direction only, and that's higher. It's not going up and down, but it's just smooth going steady higher. You have names like Snap that completely snapped today after earnings. Big 20 up 23%. If you look at the options, some of the options were 2400 up on the call sides, and just tremendous earnings for Snap. And also Roku ripped higher today. Just completely just ripped the entire day, just higher and higher and higher. And hopefully nobody got into any puts, because one thing about Roku will rip your head off. The moment you try to even think that you're going to short this on a Friday, oh man, you will completely lose. But if you survived, you bought a call, what you want to do is take those profits and run. And hopefully you've bought some stocks for your long-term stock and your long-term portfolio for the long term. And looking at the market, not every sector. If you look at the banks, they were mostly down for the day, but big tech was up. You had names like Shop that was kept on going. I spoke about it yesterday. Just keeps on marching higher and higher and higher. Don't know where it's going to stop, but you just have to go with the trend. You have to buy on pullbacks, and when you see like a day like this, you need to sell on strength. So if you're trading, if you're buying long term, it needs to get a slight pullback at least. Let's at least a good 20% haircut, then you can go along for the ride. And I'm talking about 10 plus years if you're supporting something like Shopify. And and also if you're buying cryptos are marching higher. Things like Bitcoin is marching higher as well, and everything else, you know. So if this is the time to be purchasing, need to be buying, this is a perfect time. When you have crypto at its got a good beating, this is a time for you to be buying. When others are fearful, that's when you need to be picking particular sectors that are very undervalued but have potential for growth in the future. So one of the things we need to focus on, let's see if we can look at crypto and see if we can take advantage of these low prices right now and make a quick trade or go along for the long term. Hey guys, it's Friday. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Be safe out there, and blessings.